Okay, to draw this logo, I lighten the image and bring it into my favorite vector editor. And you could use a curve tool to draw these all at once. But I'm drawing a line and shaping it into the curve. And I should be drawing these a little wider and draw past the endpoint, because it has sharp points on the ends, and in a minute I'm going to round those off and that'll make it narrower, and in a minute I'm going to have to fix the bottom one a little bit because I didn't draw it past the end for it to come out right when I round off the sharp points. But once I get that about right, I'm going to copy this one and create a smooth curve along the center line of those circles to draw those circles on. And now I can just snap to the line and draw the circles. Now I'm rounding off the sharp points and it comes out too narrow, so I have to fix it a little bit. Now I'll add the text. Adjust the spacing, and then tweak the letters to match the logo. Now I'll bridge the R so it doesn't have a dropout. Get rid of these extra nodes and round off the corners. Add a rectangle around everything and make it a nominal size. Combine everything into one curve, and it's done. I forgot that it's supposed to be 8x4, so I will fix that.